All right, so this is the engine air filter on this 2015 Mazda CX-5 Sport. The engine air filter box is right here. This is the, I'll put links to this in the description. This is a Purelator 1. This is our new filter that's gonna go in. So if you'll come in here, you don't need any tools for this. They just have these little finger spring-loaded clamps. So we're gonna loosen those. And then in the other side, it's just got the plastic kind of fingers that go in a hole. So you just kind of jiggle it out of there. Lift your existing air filter out like this. Pretty clean in there. If you have junk in there, you want to vacuum that out. So from the top, it looks pretty good. But when you look at the bottom, you can tell that it can use cleaned. Plus, you know, we just bought this car, so we're kind of getting everything right. Sometimes these look like there's no right or wrong way to put them in, but I always like to look and the numbers line up this way, so I'm going to put it in this way. I'm looking at the writing on the sides. So what we're going to do, we're going to lift this up. Going to get this to lay in flat, just like that. Okay, so you've got these two plastic fingers that stick out. And then down there, you got this plastic loop here and one just like it here. And they have a hole underneath what you're seeing where this finger has to go below what you see into a hole. So I want to kind of angle it. I want to get that in before I worry about my clips. So that's got to go in first. So that one's in. There's an electrical wire that makes it difficult to see. Trying to see, yep, okay. Right in here, I can see both. So I can see one clip there that it's in, one clip there that it's in. So now that those are in, just kind of push that way and take my finger and just lift those clips over. That's how quick and easy it is to do your engine air filter yourself. Probably save yourself $40 just by doing that. Hope that's been helpful.